Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. Check your TV specs for HDR10 or Dolby Vision and confirm the streaming device supports HDR output. Once done, swap to an HDMI 2.0/2. One cable and plug directly into the TV's HDR-labeled port. Make sure your Netflix plan permits HDR resolution, otherwise you won't see HDR content. These steps prevent compatibility issues and ensure the signal chain can carry the wider color and brightness range Netflix delivers in HDR. You now enable HDR across devices. Open your TV picture settings and turn on HDMI UHD color or the TV's HDR mode. Next, set your streaming player to output 4K/HDR and install any firmware updates. These updates often unlock HDR compatibility improvements. Once the app is updated, launch Netflix and pick a known HDR title. The player often displays an HDR badge. Doing this ensures the TV and source negotiate the proper color space and peak brightness for true HDR playback. You finish by optimizing picture. Choose the TV's HDR or cinema picture mode, reduce dynamic contrast if clipping occurs, and fine-tune brightness for detail and highlights. If you don't see an HDR badge, make sure the cable is in an HDR-labeled port, the player's output is set to HDR, and Netflix is on the correct plan. If problems persist, restart the TV and streaming device and reinstall the Netflix app. This clears handshake errors and usually restores HDR playback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.